Hello friends, we are in 21st century. Welcome to the 21st century astrology. Today, 4 kids are born every second in this world and no two kids or no two humans are alike. Every human is unique in itself. This is new, latest, improved, advanced and accurate Vedic astrology. I call it unique horoscope. Now, unique horoscope. Why unique horoscope is required and it is must for correct prediction, and what details are required to cast this unique horoscope, and how we cast this unique horoscope for correct and precise prediction. Why unique horoscope is must for correct and precise prediction, I'm going to explain in 1, 2, 3 steps. Reason 1: no two humans are alike in this world. As I have already mentioned, every human is unique and he or she don't have any resemblance in this world. Now, step number 2, I'm trying to explain it with a small example. Two kids born from two different mothers on the same day, same time, and same place. They will have the same horoscope because date, time, and place is same, but the kids are different from each other. As the horoscope is same for both the kids, and the kids are different, now you can very well imagine the quality and preciseness of the prediction what you are getting from the astrologer possible. That is the reason why he is giving so many remedies and some suggestions which are rather confusing than giving a correct prediction. In the above mentioned step 1 and 2, I have explained why unique horoscope is must for each and every native for a correct and precise prediction. Now this unique horoscope will not resemble with any other horoscope in this world, and before casting unique horoscope we do birth time rectification exactly to hour, minutes and second, and for that we ask some more details. In the above slides, we have discussed why unique horoscope is must for correct and precise prediction. In the next video, I will discuss about the details required to cast this unique horoscope and how it gives correct and precise prediction. Hope you have understood what I am trying to say. In case you have any question, please do ask me. My WhatsApp and calling details are given below. In case you have liked this video, please like it and subscribe it so that you get next video on time. Thanks for watching. This was from Shirijan Astro Center by